just trying to get out of here for now, and then we'll reorientate ourselves as to where exactly it comes out. Oh look, there you go. I know where I am. Okay. Now I know where I am. So this to me, and I'll show you in a bit why. This is kind of like, I guess, the Kuala Lumpian like Times Square, or like Piccadilly Circus. You see here like all the advertisements, like stuff down there, malls. Ah yeah, up here, look, there's signs up here, more signs here. Over this side. Maybe we'll have a little walk around here.
Sorry?
We'll have a little walk around here.
Of course.
See what it's all about. There's the monorail up there. Whoa, that's what we wanted to catch. Hello, see, here we go.
And that's the bus.
Here's a bus. But yeah, very much this reminded me kind of a mix between Times Square and Piccadilly Circus. Although there's loads of cars.
Where do we go?
Where do you want to go? But yes, we came here just because I wanted to see all this again, because we saw it all in the taxi on the way here, so I haven't seen it for a while, because I was like, wow, it looks interesting.
But that's why there's so many young people as well.
Yeah, there's like a mall here. I think there's a mall here. We're going to another mall, which is that way. The Penguin there. Sports Direct over there. McDonald's. Yeah, for me it's exactly like some sort of central tourist Times Square situation. Mango juice. I was just looking at the mango juice over here. Yeah, it definitely has that feel. Nice one. We're actually also here because I want to go to camera shops. There's one mall here which has about at least 10 of them in, so that's where we're heading kind of now-ish. So I will see you there or somewhere. So yeah, then we've just kind of come through to this place. There's loads of, damn it, shoes untied again. So yeah, and then just off the Piccadilly Circus, as I like to call it, there's all these little shops, as you can see, with the what's called festoon lights. There's a few shops here. But it gets kind of busy around here at night or something. They may even hello. Yeah, baklava. They may even close the street at night. I don't know, I'm just making that up. That's what I would do. So there's got to be a reason why there's so many shops around here. Okay guys, we came to this place. Plaza Low, I was going to say fat, but no, it's Low Yat. Low Yat. Malaysia's largest IT lifestyle mall. Da-da-dum. So from my Googling, there are about 10 or so camera shops in here. It's also like, I mean, it's all IT. Basically the whole thing is IT. Okay, so let's get IT'd. Basically, I have no idea, people. I have no idea at all. Oh, there's DJI here.
You want to go to there?
I don't know yet where I want to go. Wow. Okay, I'm going to try and find out what it is I even want. Probably everything. But let's try and find a few things. Okay, bye. As you can see, there's like loads of stuff just everywhere. Like 4 or 5 floors or so. Nothing that I can find just yet. Nothing that suits me just yet. Some of it's kind of, you know, not that great quality. Yo! Yeah, but then there's our shops like this. They seem to have some good stuff. Hopefully. I think we're getting closer, guys. I found one around the corner there. It's the Gorilla Pod. It was only 170. Sounds quite good. It's getting closer to like actual prices. And the prices that they generally have on seem to be a lot more expensive, twice or more. Yeah, we'll keep looking. Okay guys, success. Went to these guys on the corner. Well, there's a lot of corners, but this place has a lot of corners. But yeah, success. Got one of these, which is going to replace the tripod of both of my cameras actually, which is quite a surprise. It's quite a heavy duty one. And then also got another battery, because I've used one of the batteries so much that it actually died on me this morning. I couldn't charge it. So yeah, success. I still think I'd quite like to have a little look around. Not sure how much Asha has energy left. Okay guys, so I don't know, ironically, as I was asking about how much energy Asha Asha power. Da, 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 da. Hello. Wow. Uh-oh. Hello. You okay? Hello. How are we doing? Oh, this is. Yo.
Anything better?
No, I'm good, man. I'm good. No, thank you. So yeah, ironically, just as we checked on it, Asha's power, the GoPro went off, and then she went up the stairs, and then we found Asha Power, the Asha Power shop, where Asha recharges. I mean, I've pretty much got what I want, but we're just kind of doing this floor. There are 2 more, 3 more, 10 more, 100 more floors. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello. Lady, no, they call me
Ms.
Mr. FG.
But yeah, I think we're pretty much done, like I said.
Sugar and hot donut and a coffee.
Look, Asha Mobile. Basically, we've been going around taking photos of anything that says Asha or Asia, you know, Asia, Asha, Asia. So now we say goodbye to, what was it? Not low fat, low yat.
This is the first floor. Oh.
No, one more down. Yeah, so success it was a success. And even that other one had like the exact same thing for a lot cheaper than anywhere else. Yeah, those guys were good. Like those were like actual prices. Okay guys, so now we're pretty much saying goodbye to Low Yat. Successful day as well, I would say. Oh, I've lost an Asha there. Oh no, found her again. So we're going to head back to our place, I think. Quite a successful day. Of course we have to try and get back. Look at the lion. Yes, Plaza Low Yat. Okay, so we're yeah, kind of heading back. I guess we head back. We're going to do the monorail. Cool. When we get somewhere and we'll do something, I'll let you know. Okay guys, I don't exactly know where we are, apart from we're in Bukit Bintang, and we've kind of just come out of like the Low Yat.